Hello kids! Today I'll teach you how to draw a beautiful princess. So let's start by drawing a nice circle for her face. Now draw two curved lines for her hair. Two little dots for her eyes. And a tiny curved line for lips. Now we'll draw her crown. Mark 3 points like this. And draw as I'm drawing. Three little circles. Two tiny lines for her neck. Now we'll draw her dress. Okay. Now you need to draw a big line starting from here till here. From here all the way till here. You can use a nice ruler to get the straight line. Okay, now you can draw some designs on her dress. You can draw any type of designs. And some semicircles. And draw some dots along the semicircles. Some tiny semicircles all the way till the end. Okay. Two curved lines. And now we'll draw her hands. Watch carefully. There you go. Okay. Now let's draw her hair. Just draw two lines along her head and another one, and then join. Do not draw over her hands. Draw just like how I'm drawing. Okay. Some more decorations. Okay, there you go. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.